Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to turn on silent notifications on Android. So I'm gonna show you two ways and it's just simple. So let's go. So first is you're gonna swipe down and then on the upper right you can see that sign. Then you can go to app notification. So all is toggled on. So that's mean the notifications are on. So if you want to open one, for example, this messenger, then if you want to make it silent, just toggle it off. So it's already turned off. So it's now on silent mode. The other way is you can go to settings. You can search notifications. So you go to app notification and right here I just turn on the messenger, then for example the Viber. So if you just toggle it off, then it will become silent mode. So that's it. I hope that you learned something, and if you have comments, write it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.